I'm often known for my saying that money is the biggest distraction on your journey towards your passion. But here is a problem. Not a lot of people know what their passion is. Not a lot of people have the time to explore their passion. Not a lot of people think that just following one thing could be a passion, following a passion. It could be doing various things. To those people, I want to tell you that yes, this is also true. It's not always that just doing one thing is following your passion. What if? What if we, whatever that we do it passionately? Now, this could be doing a job, this could be running a business, this could be taking care of a little one, this could be enjoying time with your family, this could be doing a painting, this could be riding a bike, could be anything. Every single activity that we do in our life, what if we're able to do it with utmost intensity, utmost involvement? I believe that is also passion. Apart from if you are dedicated to achieve something, that you love doing something so much that your time goes by and you don't get to know, something that you want to do, but even if you don't get paid for it, you're still going to do it. Something that wakes you up in the morning and before the alarm. These are the things that, these are particular things people want to do, which they say this is my passion. But it's not always that it's just one thing. It could be just doing whatever we do on a daily basis, but doing it with full involvement. Even that is passion. But what's the relevance of doing all of these things so intricately? It's simple. It's simple because when we talk about our life, it's the meaning that we add to the life, it's the time we add to our life. It's not the years, but the quality of time that we add in the years. That is what matters. The whole point of getting into this conversation with you is the fact that today people are so ambitious. We all are, there's nothing wrong in it. But that ambition is taking over the whole life, the whole holistic life that we have. We're only able to measure our successes by the wins that we do in the outer world, but not in the everyday victory, but not in the every minute victory, but not in the every moment victory. It is a massive victory for you if you are able to follow your passion, if you're able to do everything without worrying about the outcome, if you're able to live a life where, how should I say this? If you're really able to enjoy every moment of the day, every moment that you live, that is also living a passionate life. So it's not really about doing that one particular task or knowing what your passion is, just living every moment without being distracted by different things. That too is passion, following your passion. And money, as I know it for a fact, is one of the biggest obstacles, the biggest distractions on the journey where we want to follow our passion. Because think about it. Now, assume that you are 80 years, 90 years old, you're on your deathbed. What's the one thing that you're going to think about? How passionately you lived. And that's one thing that you cannot change now. So it won't matter how much money you have, how many cars you have, how many holidays you had, but only the great, amazing moments that you had in life, right? You'll only be able to remember those amazing moments. So every day, life is just about accumulating those moments until the day comes when we're gone. So I just want you to accumulate every moment living with passion, not by taking away the glory of this moment by thinking about things which is a big distraction for you, which is why I say that money is the biggest distraction on your journey towards your passion. So if you like this video, I really want you to take whatever step necessary that is required for you to live a passionate life. If it is requiring you to overcome your mental barriers of managing money, if it is about creating passive income, even if it is nothing to do with money, but other barriers that you have, which could be relationships, it could be health, it could be just peace, could be anything. Or just take a step towards living a more holistic life, living a more fulfilled life. that is when you're on your deathbed, you can say that I've lived my life, not just passed through it. God bless you.